In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, to edit one of your passwords, click on the chosen one, enter your current login method and hit Edit button over here. Now you can change whatever you want to. When you finished, to save your changes, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!